Hi lovers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be using this sweeten hair Brazilian wool to achieve this hairstyle, and it comes with three in the one pack. There's 3 rows in one pack, so I was making use of these two, which is the brown and the gold. So I'm trying to combine the two colors together and mix it. So in this part I was measuring this wool, like to measure the length I want to use. You can measure any length of your choice, and basically you can use somebody to assist you to hold the wool so you can roll it up, but for me I was making use of myself and roll it up. So then I will cut it. After finish cutting the hair, I have to feathers it like the way you feathers your braid extension, because I didn't want it to look like Brazilian wool. I just want it to look as if it's braiding extension. So then when I finish feathering this hair, so I have to like separate the hair, like kind of take from the little from the brown and little from the gold, try to mix the two colors together to give me the look of the color of the hair I really want. So yeah, keep on watching and see the way I want to achieve this color. So when I finish, I run my hand through it to detangle the hair. Then I apply this hair cream for him to help me brush the hair easy and smoothly. And meanwhile, this hair cream was made from my auntie. So if you want this hair cream, you can send me a message. It's very affordable, okay? And when I finish brushing this hair, look at the result of everything and the color of we have went from the brown to gold, and yeah, we got this kind of color and I love it. So it's time for me to moisturize my hair, and I'm using this leave-in conditioner, air conditioner, and it's also made from my auntie. It's very okay, very affordable, and if you are this type of person that have this thick, your hair is very thick, you can use this. So guys, when I finish moisturizing the hair, so I have to take my comb and comb this hair to see how soften and how freely it is, and it work magic. When I mean it work magic, you can see all in my face that I was smiling to achieve this kind of freely magic combing of my hair without no stress. So and yeah, I have this breaking of hair. My natural hair is always break, so I have to trim off the excess, like trim off the tip of my hair, so it can help me grow very faster. And then when I finish trimming it off, I have to still comb it 1 time again. So this is the rollers I will be using to achieve the bouncing coil. I will be using KAIMA Edge wax for the roots and for the section of my hair to make the line more neat for me. So yeah, basically I was trying to section the first line, which I'm going to use to start the braiding extension. I was braiding it, I make sure all the hair is inside, like I make sure I braid it very tight, and at the end I have to take some little strands of hair to create a knot where I will start the coil at the end of this hair. So guys, I want to appreciate every one of you that always come to click on my channel, and I want to say a big thank you to you all. And if this is your first time clicking on my channel, hi, hello darling, you're welcome to the family. And I also appreciate you for also clicking on the channel to support your girl. So if you have not turned off your notification bell, please kindly do that, so that next time I upload a new video like this, you will be the one to see it. I love you all, keep on watching. Thank you so much.
Need more, be more. I was feeling so sad because I was all alone. So bad. And there she goes. She touched my heart and said, hey, Bessie, I know to go. So glad. The way she keeps me smiling, it brings me joy. Proves this love is real.
Love so real tonight, say.
Within my heart, there's nobody else.
Nobody else tonight.
Baby, give me your hand.
Hey.
Let me take you away, mommy. See the girl I want marry. No time, no delay. Oh yeah. After all these things we've been through, I'm just saying for you. The girl I want marry.
The girl I want marry.
You the girl I want carry.
The girl I want carry.
I was feeling so sad because I was all alone. So bad. And there she goes. She touched my heart and said, hey, Bessie, I know to go. So glad. The way she keeps me smiling, it brings me joy. Proves this love is real.
Love so real tonight, say.
Within my heart, there's nobody else.
Nobody else tonight.
Baby, give me your hand.
So guys, we're in the front part of this hair, and there is nothing serious, just like the same way we braid the back of the hair, which is knotless braid. So please keep on watching.
No delay. Oh yeah. After all these things we've been through, I'm just saying for you. The girl I want marry.
The girl I want marry.
You the girl I want carry.
The girl I want carry.
So guys, I'm done with the whole of the braiding of the hair. It's time for me to trim this hair to make it more neat for me before I can go in with the coiling. Okay, I have to cut the tip where I'm gonna coil the hair. I have to cut it because it was too long. So when I finish cutting it, I have to brush it a little. Then when it comes to the rolling of this hair, guys, I make sure I roll it very tight, and I also make sure that I secure it very tight. But if you don't have this clip that you can clip when you roll the hair, you have to maybe use rubber band. Rubber band also good for it to secure it tight. And now it's time for hot water, and I make sure that where I've coiled this hair, I dip everything inside the hot water and I leave it for some minutes, like 5-10 minutes before I remove it. And when I remove it, I have to also leave it for some little time for him to get dry a little bit. The reason why I was leaving it for some time before it dry and before I remove from the water, because I want the coils to more last and I want the bouncing coil to pronounce a lot. Okay, so that is it for me. And let's see the result. So I have to remove the rollers, and yeah, this is it. This is the result. Like it coils a lot. Like it gave me the kind of coils, the bouncing coils that I was needed for this. So yeah, and there come the final look, which is a finished look of everything. Like I was loving myself. Like if you find this video helpful to you, please kindly subscribe, share to your loved one. And yeah, this is the finished look of the coil. Just let me know in the comment section if this hair was very okay for you, like if you love the video and the hairstyle, like the coils and everything, and the color also, the gold and the brown color.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget